Recently, I've been realizing something kind of depressing. My only hobby has been scrolling. So in this video, we are entering level 3 of Fix My Life Like a Video Game series. Our mission is simple: find a hobby that makes me forget my phone. I saw this one creator doing blueberry magnets and I was instantly obsessed. Ugh. I feel like if this is gonna work, this is gonna be my new obsession. How big should I actually? I started by breaking the clay into equal pieces. Rolled them into a bowl, pressed it down a little, and took some extra clay to make the ears. Isn't he cute? Now I'm gonna just press the magnets lightly into the clay that I'm then able to put glue on them. They are done. Are they actually? What I can also recommend is to go a little bit deeper, because do you see that? Oh, fish. If I now put the magnet in, it's not gonna be, come on, it's not completely in. And it's way cleaner if it's just this way. This doesn't look perfect, you know? But that's the beauty of it. Let those bad boys dry. I looked at some Pinterest inspiration pictures and I'm so excited. White, black. So we're gonna use pink for the blush, orange. Let's just make use of the fact that we're working with a magnet. It looks like this right now. I actually forgot how fun it is just to have a hobby. I decided to make different beers in different colors. It's so easy, and to make it even faster, I used a hairdryer to dry the paint in between. Just be a bit careful because the magnets heat up pretty quickly when you use a hairdryer. For the details, I used a toothpick since I didn't have such a tiny brush. I wish I had just left it like this and not added the mouth, because the moment I painted the mouth, I absolutely ruined the beer. Oh my god. This is Kayla. This, my friend, is Kelsey. We also have Bruni, Tio, the Ruined Mouth Beer, Mr. Perfect, Brown Beer, No Name, Tiny, and last, Teddy. Yeah! We are finished. Oh no, let's also add this, because then they're gonna be really, really shiny. Oh my god, I can't. Do you see how pretty they are? Oh! It's a magnet. Oh, fish. Okay. I'm definitely gonna keep that going because this is so fun, and I'm thinking about making like strawberries, blueberries. I could also make like little flowers. This is also such a nice gift idea. 10 out of 10.
Uhr.
Genau, mir war langweilig.
Hä? Was ist das? Sind das Steine? Oh mein Gott, wie süß. Hast du die selber gemacht?
Ja.
Ich mache hier nur kurz meine Diebstahlsicherung rein, nicht, dass jemand mir meine Biermagneten klaut. Das größte Heiligtum. Oh, das ist ja so süß. Oh.
Boo! I have another thing I want to try, and I'm so excited for this one. It has something to do with Sims 4. So my thought is, I'm not gonna play this game the normal way, but in a vision board and manifesting way. Because first, I can build myself as a character and like the way I would like my hair to be, the way I would like my body to be. And second, we're gonna build my dream apartment. This is gonna be so nice. I'm gonna first draw my dream apartment and then I'm gonna rebuild it. Here's the fun part, right? Because I'm not gonna build this complete dream apartment in one day, but I'm just gonna, for example, like I really see it as a hobby where I'm just starting with my room and then I just work myself through it. I used to play Sims 4 like a lot. Do you see how much time like I wasted? I'm sorry, but yeah, this is waste. I just created my own sim and this is me. Look at me now and then look at her. She's going to the gym. Okay, hello, look at us. Stop being on your phone, girl. This is our room, right? Okay, so I would like to have these walls. Oh, yes, I imagine it. Wow, This is amazing. I'm going to bed. Oh my god, why is she looking so creepy? So this was my vision. And this is how it looks now. So it's fun, yes. But I don't know about it. Because you're again on your phone, and Mac and phone is almost the same. And we sit all day on our mobile phone. Oh, by the way, if you ever thought about journaling as a hobby, I made a video on fun creative journal ideas and how to start. I'm gonna link it in the caption if you're interested. Maybe the next hobby idea will be something I actually enjoy. Before we're gonna do what I want to do now, I just need to admit that I am a really bad baker. Do you remember the cinnamons? What we're gonna do now is we're gonna make mochi! Yeah! I tried it before, but yeah. I don't know if I will like this hobby or if it will just stress me out. Put the flour in a bowl and add the sugar, coconut milk and water. Mix until the sugar crystals are gone, and I added matcha. It wasn't in the recipe, but... oh. I think that's enough. Yes, oh my god, this is the first time something is going along my way. Steam for about 20 minutes, depending on how much dough you have, until it turns thick and sticky. Ooh. Wrap the pot kit with a kitchen towel so no water drips in. Okay. Nice. Okay, stop. Ooh, let's just ooh. Transfer onto a starch dusted baking paper, roll it out and cut it into squares. It looks kind of weird right now, but I think it's supposed to look like this. You can fill it with whatever you like, for example cream cheese filling, but I just added strawberries. Let's just try a whole one. Oh my god. Oh no, I failed. Yeah, mine turned out a little bit weird. I don't know, it's harder to make them round than it looks. These are our finished mochi. So they are not bad, but they are also not good. So I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I mean, would you guess that these are mochi? I don't know. To be honest, this was kind of stressful, and I also didn't like that I needed to go and buy some groceries. So this won't be a hobby, no. Nah. And now, the last weapon. If this doesn't save me, nothing will. I used to paint a lot, so why not paint again? But this time we're not gonna do it the boring way, but we're gonna paint these. Let me just place the camera somewhere else, because I think this is way more interesting than looking at my face. At first I wanted to paint lemons, but I had no yellow, so my beautiful plan was ruined and I had no idea what to do. Luckily there's something called just go with the flow, but go with the flow made me start painting these random little pink dots that I quickly overpainted again. This could go so wrong. I kind of like it, but I also hate it. And that's a little story of how I somehow ended up with this pattern. Just like with the beer magnets, I sealed it again, especially for the journal, so when I put them in my bag, they don't make my bag or other stuff dirty. Oh my god, I'm sweating so much. This is my finished work. Please let it dry. Because the problem is, I also painted this page and then I just turned it around and now there's paper on it and I'm... This was so fun. I'm so excited to use that. Oh, also one more thing, I wouldn't recommend to paint these pages. I need to get every single page and just peel them because they are glued together, so don't do this. At the end of the day, I really believe in hobbies. Especially now, we should be careful not to scroll our days and our whole life away. Think about it, you can do so much with that time instead of just scrolling. Try as many things as you can until you find what sticks. Little Zabi definitely earns a star for this one because she found something she can come back to from time to time. This was level 3 of Fix My Life Like a Video Game series, and I really want to know, what do you think about this series? Should I keep going with level 4 or rather do something different? Because right now I feel like not many people are really into this series, and that's fine because I want to make videos you actually enjoy watching. Please let me know, and all I can say now is get yourself a hobby.